بيا كمال كنور أونلاين تي في شانل تكون كلر مجديد بانا لين قاسمة لر بانا لين كي اسبيل مايو تيك بون مشي ورغان كغور ريوچ كوسترن ايكواتوريا تلاجن و شيكن كومه اسبيل مايو كوم مرايك دكتور ينگ مچاتن شيكن غور ريوچ Western Equatoria State. Banna jellinga gwa ka dobra na chaje non kaja. Kan kono ni amare ler kana me mi jira ma jadit ka Noor Online TV channel no ka jeno jendere jenyo ka nasin ko ken. Der subscribe ka der notification bell der je twain ko mi ler collaborate de je kula ling. Bana dobra danen ci ler mi ci bari ka ja bana jelin kel konta danen ca tuogo je bana jeling reiler kana me barwaj kenyam barwaj ke tungnat ka kore beje kwen ka tuk english beje kwen ya ka tungnas ka dobran chai nonga ja biya tungwan long biya kaling tin ka jelera me ka ta danen cha spele mayo cha je lokaje ji western equatoria ki ngum le rode ki dobadien mi lat kariya mo ga jamana ban shure ler kana me gwad me missionen ka tande chikan laro nena protesters demand a spell takeover in western equatoria ne titi chika barar ki chika protest lat kan no ne go ne yo ba ne rwaj SPLM taping SPLM kuma kirma yadit kana ba ne rwaj kuma kirma yadit ka kujimo shine kuma SPLM ayo shine gore jen chane na kor gachi kan gor gwazo men go Western Equatoria ayo tigalel RIP rest in peace RIP lo kan chikan kuma Dr. Machata chikan gore wichin winami kan kore lera ngad je gwanu la Western Equatoria la yambi ngore te korshu manatama katin kontin la rodian ban je kulling in detail kata dan to ngwane kaja ana wana reida gwad me bon mishiro da realeka ka Western Equatoria State chicken barar wichar kalat kanen wo chicken kume espele mayo chicken gor kume mentipin Dr. Yang Machaten rewik ka yambio kanechine gor kanen nong ne kume kirmi yadit nong ne kume kirmi yadit ka kujamo espele mayo awoy ke rewich no gwad me kene shol ne kuma kirmi yadi no bere which ka Western Equatoria State no and Western Equatoria State kana achit tet ka kuma ayo espele mayo pin Dr. Yang Machaten achit pin Dr. Yang Machaten outit ka kirmi yadi igaro mo yikana kwen and bon en chiwar gane gor bona me mo kon rai kwide me men ban ngaje gwaten ken bon mitre which ka yambio gwade dan e shikir me she wude shwal ke futuyo che je woch futuyo jena kwar aspele mayo ko la roi ne dial content re which ka yambio diram da la governor and governor ki commissioner futuyo diram da ro ka yambio me kan no woch kwere rawde jaten kwere rawde general SPLM ran kirmi yadit kwere niam jala kwere ayon an kwere ayo me che kirmi yadit me che ladno che futuyo che je woch che ngaje no chika gaga men fonde en Dr. Yang Machar ka wuche futuyo chukan warga gorno wude me allo ka gwada la governor chumenta mo gwada kana kunyiran kana kunyiran me chaje wuchu ayo jalad no men shi ala da shi muga shi angote ko ne cha gor shi aka dak ala 2018 revitalized peace agreement ne cha me cha ta ko jando be na kwala kwan futuyo kana kwadi al koken shi aja daga kuje mo de yen loy gwada ko kan yene consult kan ya right kan ya right as well mayo leaders kan right ka Dr. Machar kuje mo aloy ka gwada kana ban gwa ko were chaje wuj ke je kirma yadit ka tok tiang chu wudo mo la kwara ro men tere wi ke yam biyo tama kwar ke men pin kirma yadit chu jen ke dech SSPDF kana national security chu kan wudo ma chu kan am hak dora me kana mak dora no chu kana wono no de kana nak chu ke yit ke chu wudo mo chu ro chu bar ay ro ka chu gat ke chu tanin chu ko ren bar shudo on ponne mala kwara oda cha gadu tum chal futu yo chaka kap gadu shu welkel ka shek futu yo bo chala do kan ka doro shu men tam lo ko let chi de ki dom ni jen ko mite ka mishi futu yo lel dong da ka mo keriya no me che jen fonde asfele mayu la futu yo me che jen che ore ruop no chi de ni chi kerin kore SSPDF to kore lo gor kano nakana du no challenge che chobne re ruop kwal dan te asfele mayu titin namo chu ngeng mi ditwe no ko kum ker mi yadit ko shiram ma shalain ko gor ko de kan ko jen me dane ko ngeja ko de ka ke liwon mi nami no antama ko rawdo men ci dot rey wuch me jak futu yo ko ba je joj ajen ci dot tam rey wuch an kwermo no ngod gwara me dan laran aspele mayo ngoda kana much karana la governor duno jen ci dot acting governor tabu ko tela kwaran dit kan kwadit kan gwan na kwany an wudo mo ajira mo danan shine dial content gor gan gwad me che cherken che kayar che gali che ga jogano mo yete shi a chunkel ga kirm yadit ano baye yan dio ye shaling te ga ngwana cho welkel sha yan ngwan welkel te chala do kana kan shungan kel ke aspele mayo kan ngwan to cho ga yen dina SSPDF ka yambion winami ko gui kana gwano ngwana mu gur kana swele mayo dino changan che kwengwen jaben dong de tani de ka vote ni de ka kwan chicken hal chicken ga jago dong ni de randa mandana go da kwan no ka shukan yan wa chicken na wa chicken torture and SSPDF no antama mi shaben ko dong de gwa futuyo de je kwen rana ka da rana spele mayo chadia ngade based on the 2018 revitalized peace agreement chadia radien gero da rana spele mayo kwere rawda ka yambio an kwere nyam ka yambio wach kudu ma chajalok cha fonde ken hale che ka influence ke cha ka jogono moyen chonkel ka spele mayo ashia barara ashia protest cha bi wichar ba kul ngaje no nok yen kirm yadit jeno banate ke ral ngay kone man la lat ke ne to kon don goro ba go lakin na the threaten by don be ken la rwani o bne ham bne mo kriya ano shal shi ke sho dwal an shi dwal ka shi brar ke number mudit ci kala don shi ne aspele mayo shi ne gor e which ka western equatorial state a woikeja ka kujimo kirm yadit a benejen jiram nana biya kwer ka western equatorial kanga ke jeno la western equatorial right now gwada contest film mayo tin la ka yam makatin ana joye katin ko ban madan le rod ban jilat you know candidate pin kwarrawde chicken akon on the hon ke chicken let la alaw me lat kan yela tok tela kwar mishim jek lat dundo ke influence dana be ka kuma kirma yadit na kukan civilian kukan ga threaten amunyo da go an go shi tok manan an let kana ka kujimo takan ga chuon ko dong de ka dwal de ka brar ka ping midit ko be kan nyu da go ano ku chungan kel ka kwar ni sapke mi yadit na me mishor la ray wajin winami ka do bran chikana lat ke ja ke nan yana ka ja kwat mena kan chine yas fele mayo chine gor kana go ne ni kirmi yadit atre wich ko ne wan china dwal ka ta danan lakin la ji SSPD abjen bikana bikan ko nak ana wan kan dwel no ka yen kana the only way dong the community da ta kamal gaje o kan they can ordin yigang ka ku yim tukan ga chonko de ga protest de ga laro chine gurno bine chuch chede kan chikala no chune ka kwi SPLM ayo ko la ga attack SSPDF kan ni ko nen ku SPLM ayo la tika ka ba ko ham tongmi tukan ga chon riwdien dial nen yan tika gadul gor kan me dul gor ko no dul gor kan me jen gwal dan ala mi nyuda gwano shi kuma kirmi yadi chamal cheje logo no better one ko mu dong sha freedom of choosing who to choose mi charge kamran ki en ramnan gor de kwan mi cha goro de kwan la do badien mu dong de nyuda gwano en sha apalo lada jela guyin mo gwado me lad kan no gone ne asfele maji na ajene gone yo Western Equatoria State back to asfele maji ka gat di alkan ti entity ne ti yar nuiden ko quick kan ngutal mga kana they don't have a choice dong they can protest de ngulel so kirm ya di jaram danan don ku ne di alku game friend ka jaram dana yer ji Western Equatoria State ana me lar mishalat gwasame gor jano be janwa ka yekel ka do danan jaben kaje most of them they are children dol gorga di en gwadaman okay. A group of residents from Izo County in western Equatorial State, South Sudan, staged a peaceful demonstration on Monday, calling for the state leadership to be returned to the SPLM party under Kir Mayadit, rather than remaining under the control of the SPLM-IO led by Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. The protest follows heightened tension in the state after President Kir unilaterally removal of the SPLM-IO appointed Governor General Alfred Futuyo on 10 February 2025. The position has remained vacant since, with the state currently being administered by an acting governor, Daniel Badago, a member of the ruling SPLM. Under the term of the 2018 Revitalized Peace Agreement, Western Equatorial State was allocated to the SPLM-IO, granting the party right to appoint the state governor. However, the removal of General Futuyo has sparked division and unrest, with some communities supporting the decision and others condemning it. The demonstrators marched to the Izo County headquarters. These are school students. Okay, they are marching to Izo County headquarters, chanting slogans such as "We are tired of SPLM-IO." They say we are tired of SPLM-IO. These school students. We want the state reinstated under SPLM leadership under Kir Mayadit. They later presented a petition to the county commissioner, Abdel Abil Sudan, outlining their demands. At a public rally in Izo, some community members who spoke anonymously due to security concern expressed their desire for Western Equatoria to transition to SPLM leadership. Your Excellency, President Salva Kiir Mayardit, with great honor and respect, we extend our gratitude for your bold leadership in issuing the President decree that removed Governor Alfred Futuyo. We believe this decision paves the way for stability and progress. One demonstrator stated. When participating in the rally, also voiced their frustration over the security situation under General Futuyo administrations. Since his appointment, we have witnessed countless cases of violence, killing, and sexual assault. Unknown gunmen have terrorized our communities. We have lost our husbands, our children, and our peace. We have never seen a governor like this before, one woman said. Izo County Commissioner Abel Sudan assured the demonstrators that their petition would be forwarded to President Kir Mayardit. He urged the community to remain peaceful and avoid further divisions. I encourage all protesters to express their concern respectfully. We are all one people in South Sudan. SPLM, SPLM-IO, and all peaceful partners are brothers who have signed the peace agreement together. We must work for unity and stability, Commissioner Sudan stated. He emphasized the importance of peace and development in the state, noting that Izo County is currently hosting internally displaced persons, IDPs, from Tambura County due to recent conflict. We need peace in South Sudan. We need our children to go to school and engage in farming. People have the right to peacefully demand change, and their voice must be heard. However, we must not allow division to take root in our society, he added. SPLM-IO officials in the state could not immediately be reached for comment. The organizer of the peaceful demonstration in Enzo County have yet to be identified. Ne diala kon shi demonstration had gwazam kwai karamanda nen ku demonstration kuje toko nga lara mongo ba Western Equatorial State ba je lat pin kirma yadit taram chela duno kane larga je lat kane pin ko kane de kontin la tin chipi si gor ko dong de kuma spele mayo dara ro chere wujin winimi anyok mishi ajalen gwada mene wa during Alfred Futuyo me roje la insecurity ten lo liuna na shang kada to ka let kume ko gore jen wo binere content re which ano bika kume spele mayo ndana ro ko Western Equatorial State bikana lokki bikana nyir munyo da gwa an wo malat ke SPLM ke kume SSPDF gor kano bikan wuj bikana destabilize ko bika kula ro ano muguyen kwar mu roje te ne te mokarik o te gane ko ken goro bikana oppose ke bikana expose ko bikana watch and wede na mo don ko le ba ko local community na me dom ba local je community en go je roje je kashe je o te ka ko ken milat kana de kan laro mu don tele kwakto kam ka ke Alfred Futuyo de ko woto me te Futuyo te kwar kam tele mu kamane no tele salar to ngon ka yo no tele to go to latka ko ba insecurity ramda dawo ci jen yere insecurity be ko tene te logo to goro dong de kwar mo de kana mach gwaje on me jenda na chudien chibel and again ne ko onte te gwa te ga demonstration kwa kene de kon ku ko organize jenen yen man te na ga dul gorkaten influence ni jen sio ikane they are willing to do so ke te ka ring michala SPLM ayo men pin da ring machaten ko gor kono ban to ban jeling jen tok shaling one ani goro jeno biya nyoga nas ko ken biya te mal ban jemre den babay